Presenting the 2008 Buick LaCrosse. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, air filtration system, cargo net, trunk, cruise control, defogger, rear window electric, door locks, power programmable with lockout protection and enhanced safety in front and rear. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.